Hey everyone, Charlie here, or as I'm better known now, #CheerUpCharlie, and this is...
Nathaniel Morrison. You might recognise me from BBC One's TV talent show All Together Now, or Waitress, the musical.
Welcome to Anti-Bullying Week 2020!
Have you ever felt like nobody was there? Have you ever felt forgotten in the middle of nowhere? Have you ever felt like you could disappear? Like you could fall and no one would hear?
Well, let that lonely feeling wash away. Maybe there's a reason to believe you'll be okay. 'Cause when you don't feel strong enough to stand, you can reach out your hand. And oh, someone will come running, and I know they'll take you home.
Even when the dark comes crashing through, when you need a friend to carry you, when you're broken on the ground, you will be found.
So let the sun come streaming in, 'cause you'll reach up and you'll rise again. Lift your head and look around, you will be found. You will be found. You will be found. You will be found.
You will be found.
Hey Charlie, I'm Ian, and just like you, I love the theatre.
I heard that you're going for a bit of a hard
I
time.
hear you've been getting some stick for your enjoyment of them and your love of musical theatre.
I was a theatre kid too, and kids wanted to beat me up and make fun of me.
I was badly bullied as well.
I was bullied myself when I was at school for being a dancer.
I was bullied when I was younger.
I've been in that same situation when I was your age.
Well, let me just tell you something. You got the right idea. It is cool.
There's a place where you don't have to feel unknown. And every time that you call out, you're a little less alone.
If you only say the word,
From across the silence, your voice is heard.
Your value is not determined by others.
What you think about yourself is what's important.
Be unapologetically you.
You've got talent. What you can do, no one else can do.
Having a personality that is uniquely yours is a wonderful, wonderful
so
thing.
never give up on your dreams. Don't let those bullies win.
Don't ever stop singing. Don't ever stop being yourself.
Honestly, things will get better. Keep on doing what you love, mate, and people will gravitate to you.
Beautiful, you are strong, and we will fully support you.
You are amazing, buddy. Keep letting your light shine.
You are not alone.
You are not.
You are enough. You are so worthy. You're so brilliant. Unbelievable how on earth you are.
You will be sparkling and sing and dance.
In our tribe, you're one of us.
We're your family, and we love you.
Even when the dark comes crashing through, when you need a friend to carry you, when you're broken on the ground, you will be found. So let the sun come streaming in, 'cause you'll reach up and you'll rise again. If you're all alone,
to carry you.
When you're broken on the ground,
You will be fine.
so let the sun come streaming in, 'cause you'll reach up and you'll rise again. If you only look around,
You will be fine.
even when the dark comes crashing through,
You will be fine.
when you need someone to carry you,
You will be fine. You will be fine. You will be found. Just be who you wanna be. Cheer up, Charlie! Cheer up, Charlie!
Cheer up, Charlie! This year's theme is United Against Bullying, and we have united here at Pineapple Studios to present to you an anti-bullying dance workshop.
Thank you to Pineapple for hosting us and letting us work in a socially safe environment that has been cleaned and sanitised. Now, wherever you are, whether you're at home or at school, please remember to follow the government guidelines and keep yourself and others safe.
Don't forget to share your posts with us, your videos, your photos, whatever, on social media, and make sure that you tag at Anti-Bullying Pro, hashtag ABW2020. Also, while you're at it, why don't you tag me at Natty Bongo?
And also me at cheerupcharlie__. Plus, if you tag us both, you'll have the chance to win your groups or your partners Cheer Up Charlie beanies. So don't worry if you've never danced before or you're not a strong dancer, because I'm not a dancer. I'm a singer and an actor. He's a dancer, but I'm not.
Kind of.
Okay, so as I've just found out, neither of us are dancers. So just give it your best shot and give it a go. Plus, there's another thing that holds me back from dancing sometimes. I'm actually deaf. So if I can dance under those circumstances, then you can dance being how you are. And even if you've never, ever, ever danced, you can do it. I promise you.
So I was bullied, unfortunately, when I was at school. Everyone seemed to be in on this plan, which was to have me be attacked outside the science class one day. And I got to understand the reason why I was being bullied is because I was seen as the actor, singer, dancer boy in the school. But I didn't allow it to affect me. I'm so grateful that I've managed to still go on to achieve the great things that I have done.
So now you're going to be creating a dance that's themed around the song You'll Be Found from Dear Evan Hansen. Now, it doesn't have to be a long dance, it can just be the chorus or a verse and a chorus. It doesn't really matter, you don't have to do the whole 4 minutes, because that's a long, long dance. Remember, this song is raising money for the Diana Award, and it's not actually the original Broadway cast recording. This is actually me and my West End buddies, including him, Nathaniel Morrison, in case you forgot his name. How dare you forget his name?
You've changed.
So we're going to actually set you a challenge to make it easier. And I bet you're thinking, what are these people talking about? You don't set a challenge to make things easy, you set a challenge to make them harder. But really, this challenge will make it really easy. So we're going to give you 4 key moves that you have to add into your dance, and then you're going to go back through the dance, and you're going to pick 1 move of your own that you're going to put into the dance as well. So, should we get started on the key
Let's do
moves?
it.
Okay, so first up is the floss.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
With the jump.
Yeah.
The Evan Hansen.
It's got to go in.
The walk of hope. Or as we call it, Nate's run for the bus. And remember to use those facial expressions, because it's all about the facial expressions in this move.
Yeah.
Look at his face.
Okay.
And then, the last one, the cheer me up, made especially by me, especially for you.
Here we go. Yeah.
That's the move you have to include the most. It's the new floss, everybody. Get used to it. So remember, you have to include them into your dance, and then also 1 move of your choice that you think is king.
Have you ever felt like nobody was there? Have you ever felt forgotten in the middle of nowhere? Have you ever felt like you could disappear? Like you could fall and no one would hear?
Well, let that lonely feeling wash wash away. Maybe there's a reason to believe you'll be okay. 'Cause when you don't feel strong enough to stand, you can reach out your hand.
And oh, someone will come running, and I know they'll take you home. Even when the dark comes crashing through, when you need a friend to carry you, when you're broken on the ground, you will be found. So let the sun come streaming in, 'cause you'll reach up and you'll rise again. Lift your head and look around.
You will be found.
There's a place where you don't have to feel alone. And every time that you call out, you're a little less alone.
If you only say the word,
From across the silence, your voice is heard.
someone will come running to take you home. Even when the dark comes crashing through,
When you need a friend to carry you,
when you're broken on the ground, you will be found.
You will be found.
And remember, dance is a great way to spread the anti-bullying message, and we can't wait to see what you come up with.
Don't forget to tag us on your social media posts.
That way, you have the chance to win the awesome Cheer Up Charlie beanies, whoop, 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 that Nate is not currently wearing.
Sorry about that.
Thank you for letting us share our moves with you. That's all for now. Wish we could be there with you.
Bye.
Just say goodbye.